Tamil Nadu lost a lot of investment because there is a flight of capital to those areas now. Hopefully now with the government today there have been announcements on it. They want to bring up, support the pharma industry. They asked us to come with a proposal and all. They want to bring in a pharma industrial policy in the state of Tamil Nadu. If everything goes well, if they take up, we are also giving them comparison about what the benefits is being given in Gujarat and Karnataka and all, and comparative to Tamil Nadu. So we would like to get some more benefits by which more people will invest in facilities in the Tamil Nadu.
One of the points in the theme is about the opportunities for startups. Can you highlight? Is it going to be only contract manufacturing, or do you also focus on innovation?
Focus on?
Innovation.
Absolutely. See, this is a combination of both contract manufacturer on one side and marketeers on the other side. So the market is particularly, you would have seen today's program and all, there is a talk, there's going to be this thing from IMS IQVIA, we're going to be talking about pharma, the marketing trends in South India is going to be the topic and all. After this, tomorrow they are going to be discussed about branding and sales management in a VUCA, in a volatile atmosphere and all those things are there. Actually, innovation is twofold. One is product innovation and market innovation. Both are going to be discussed here. And many of the people who have put up plant stalls here, they have many innovative products which they want to showcase to the marketeers here. So definitely there will be an opportunity for discussion on innovation, a new product.
Just to understand the context of it, usually when you say startup, we usually relate it with the digital or something that is tech savvy.
Okay.
Whereas you said in startups in pharma could be either in products or the marketing. Marketing I can understand that, but in at least in products you need a deep pocket to support whatever the innovation you require, unless it is in NEDS. So what is the nature of startups in pharmaceutical segment and how is it growing?
See, actually pharma, you asked multiple questions. Let me first address on this innovation side. So innovation and pharma, see, even for launching a generic drug, you need R&D. You cannot just manufacture a drug straight away. Whatever we are talking in India, mostly when we are talking in R&D or innovation, it is about new formulation technology for an existing molecule. Even the guest of honor mentioned that repositioning the same product for other indications, existing products. So if you see, like, the drug would be available, we might bring a better formulation, or even for manufacturing the same drug, you need proper formulation R&D and analytical R&D. So when this is very much within the budget, and India is doing very well in this, that is why we are leader in generic. Coming to the invention or finding of new molecule, what you said is right, you need a deep packet. No single company can, even international company, it is not inventing. There is a three-party like industry, institution and the government work together and finds molecule. So that is a different route. Today what is happening is, since India is now part of patent, after 2005, now inventions process also for new molecules has started up. All multinations are putting their R&D in India because you are having cost-effective, skilled people in India. So the innovation is come back. What happened is, when patent was removed, everybody, the basic research went out of the country because there was no patent protection here. Now after 2005, we are part of patent. The one advantage is multinational companies have come back for doing basic research in India. That has started well. Coming back to the startup companies in pharma, there are two types of companies when we talk. One is they will have their startup manufacturing company and try to do contract manufacturing and try to bring novel formulations, etc. So the startup company, when we talk, it is a manufacturing company. And the other way is, in Tamil Nadu, where more companies are available, they are basically marketing companies, pharma marketing companies, where over 800 small entrepreneurs are available in Tamil Nadu, who are having their company's brand, they manufacture their brand from this contract manufacturer company and marketing. So when we talk on startup companies, we want to contribute to both. So we don't want to only give technical input to the manufacturing company. We thought it is time to just update this marketing company also. That is the reason we have kept the theme for marketing, branding, supply chain, etc. The other intention of keeping the theme is the exhibitors are primarily contract manufacturers. For contract manufacturers, who are the customer? Marketing people and outsourcing people are the customer. So we have kept a theme that way. So the visitors are marketing people and outsourcing people, whereas the exhibitors are contract manufacturers. So that the balance is exist.
Sir, regarding the three previous editions, how far the Pharma these three editions, the previous editions.
Pita, you are part of all four, and you would be seeing the visible changes yourself. How
to help the South Indian pharma industry.
yeah, that is what I am trying to tell. See, seeing is believing. You are part of all four Pharma South. You have seen the step by step, it is growing. Similarly, step by step, Tamil Nadu, not only Tamil Nadu, South Pharma companies are getting benefit of this Pharma South. In fact, when the industrial secretary went, Rajaratnam sir was talking about government participation
Sir,
in that.
sir, we are the home state, and we are going to, sir, we are going to double-digit growth is imminent. So how far the three editions helped the smart scales in Tamil Nadu, especially?
My point is, how far it is helping means it is helping 100%. Why I am telling that is, see, today there is a buyer-seller meet where buyers from big companies have come here exclusively for meeting our small-scale people. How difficult it would be for our person to go to Gujarat or Hyderabad or Bombay to meet them in their place. It is not possible. So, Pharmax South straight away is cutting down that the introduction between both of them, and straight away they are talking business here. There is a buyer-seller meet which has started already there. So this one point itself you can understand, it is going to straight away help, and it is helping.
So you were mentioning about this body and how industry has changed in structure.
So, what percentage of the contract manufacturing was going to this area, Himachal Pradesh and all, earlier, and how it is moving now to other parts of the country? That is one. And another thing is, even Tamil Nadu company had their manufacturing facilities set up in those areas. So now, considering that you are here and your facility is there and the additional benefit is not there, how is it changing the overall scenario? Where does the pharma sector move into?
See, actually, at least 30% of our share was going to for contract manufacturers in Baddi. So now what has happened is now that special attraction of excise free benefits and all have been reduced because of the GST and all. Now when they make a working calculation, it is found that the gap is only 2%. There is a 2% edge they are having over other states. So some Tamil Nadu people definitely went over there to set up a manufacturing plant there and all. But now many of them are now coming back. And another thing there, the excise is also going, excise benefits are also almost coming to an end. So many of them are coming back to the states, and then they are looking at setting up manufacturing plants here. So that has made a change in flight back. It has happened more so in places like Gujarat and all, where more number of people went from Gujarat and all. Now, as Jaisal put in the opening talk and all, more than 100 units recently have set up facilities in Gujarat. So in Tamil Nadu, the benefits are not come out, what benefit we get for starting industry here and all. So today's meeting we have made a request, and our industry secretary has also been very positive. He has asked us to come out with a proposal, our ideas and all. He is ready to announce a pharma industrial policy from the Tamil Nadu government. So that will also help.
Answer very specifically your body episode, to tell short, the benefits have reduced. And it's nearly the same, there's no benefit in body. So it's a level